Beyond perfect. Fully reimagined from top to bottom, this exceptional oceanfront villa delivers one of the most modern floor plans and panoramic views on Hilton Head Island. Located in Hampton Place, the newest oceanfront complex in Palmetto Dunes, this two-bedroom residence combines contemporary design with a front-row Atlantic setting. The interior has been completely remodeled with a refined coastal aesthetic, featuring a sleek kitchen, spa-inspired baths, updated flooring, custom fixtures, and reworked ceilings that elevate the sense of space and light. Excellent bedroom separation creates privacy, while both bedrooms enjoy direct ocean views, an uncommon and highly desirable feature. A standout advantage of this residence is its dual oceanfront balconies, offering multiple vantage points to take in sweeping views of the Atlantic Ocean. The open layout flows effortlessly, balancing clean lines and modern luxury with a relaxed coastal feel. Hampton Place is known for its resort-level amenities, including 2 oceanfront pools, under-building parking and storage, elevators, a fitness facility, private boardwalk, beach access, and beautifully maintained common areas. Just inside the Palmetto Dunes gates, owners enjoy immediate access to 3 championship golf courses, tennis and pickleball facilities, a deepwater marina, dining, and shopping. This is a rare opportunity to own a truly turnkey oceanfront villa, new in feel, timeless in setting, and designed for buyers who want the best of Hilton Head's beachfront living.